Once in the last class, we discussed about Salesforce clouds, and today I'm going to discuss about partners of Salesforce. What is this?
Partners of Salesforce.
So we have three partners. The first partner is developer.force.com. The second partner,
AppExchange.com.
teamforce.com. Third partner, AppExchange.com. Total three partners here. So first, let me discuss about developerforce.com. Developerforce.com is a technical guide to the developers. It's a technical guide to the developers. First of all, what is the meaning of guide? Guide contains what? Question and answers. Yes or no? Speak out. What guide contains? Guide contains questions and answers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As a developer, if you open this guide, you can come across to know that the strength and potential of the Salesforce. And also, 1 minute, please. Word. Fix the water ball. Yeah, sorry guys, somebody came. Yeah, you can come across to know that the strength and potentiality of the Salesforce and also on force.com. Yesterday we were discussing about force.com. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Annapurna and Samsher Basha and Rahman. Yeah, Rahman. Okay. Listen carefully. Force.com is a platform. It is given by Salesforce. On this platform, developers can develop the application as per the client's requirement. Understand, Annapurna? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The platform is a place where developers can develop the application as per the client requirements. The platform name given by Salesforce is called force.com. So, developerforce.com is a technical guide to the developers. Once developer open this guide, you can come across to know that the strength and potential of the Salesforce, and also on force.com platform, as a developer, what we can develop, how we can develop, and what we can achieve. Try to understand the point clearly. Once again, I'm repeating the point. Developerforce.com is a technical guide to the developers. As a developer, once you open this guide, you can come across to know that the strength and potential of the Salesforce, and also on force.com platform, as a developer, what we can develop, how we can develop, and what we can achieve. This is all about what? Developerforce.com. Understand Shamsher Basha, Rahman, and rest of all the people? Annapurna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Dreamforce.com. What is the exact meaning of Dreamforce.com? Dreamforce.com, it is an event which is conducted by Salesforce company every year. It is an event which is conducted with Salesforce company. In this event, across the globe, from all the countries I'm talking, across the globe, company CEOs, company CTOs, okay, Salesforce MVPs. MVP stands for most valuable person. MVPs, CEOs, CTOs, okay, architects. All these people are get together and they can share their ideas, their views. It is conducted by Salesforce company. That event name is called what? Dreamforce.com. So once again, I'm repeating, Dreamforce.com. It is an event which is conducted by Salesforce company every year. In this event across the globe, from all the companies across India, across the world, company CEOs, company CTOs. CTO means Chief Technical Officers, MVPs, most valuable persons, architects. Okay, all the people are grouped together. They can share their ideas. They can contribute their thoughts. Understand all of you? It is all about what? Dreamforce.com. I'm going to show you right now. Last year in 2021, Salesforce conducted Dreamforce.com event in September. In September month, they conducted this event. This year, the date is not yet decided. I will show you. Look at the screen, all of you, and try to understand here. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
So, Dreamforce.com event in 20. What is this?
21.
Dreamforce 21 takes place September 21 to 23. 3 days conducted, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and will brought to you live via Salesforce Plus for new free streaming service. See here. Start building your 2021 Dreamforce agenda. Dreamforce 21 takes place September 21 to 23rd. One minute, guys. Look at the screen, all of you. He is the CEO of the company, Mr. Mark Benioff. Look at his face. Mr. Mark Benioff is the CEO of the company. Understand? All the companies contribute in this particular event. If you have the free time, please explore this. Understand, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Next important thing is what? AppExchange.com. What is AppExchange.com? AppExchange.com, it is a place where developers can sell the applications, and whereas clients will buy the application. My point is clear. AppExchange.com is a place where developers can sell the applications, and whereas clients will buy the applications. So selling and buying is happening. Selling and buying means it's a trading. So selling, buying is happening at where? AppExchange.com. I can say AppExchange.com is nothing but your app store. In your mobile, we have App Store, we have Play Store. I hope all of you know about this. Yes or no? Just like that.
Yes,
Now also about AppExchange.com. Okay, some of the applications we need to buy, and some of the applications we can freely download without paying anything. Yes or no? It's a trading place where developers can sell the applications, and whereas clients will buy the applications. I'll show you here. Login.salesforce.com. Of course, from this topic, you did not receive any kind of interview questions at the time of interview, guys. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
So out of the box, I'm explaining all these points. Okay, being a Salesforce professional, you should know about this particular information.
So if we
Get this last, but what is this? AppExchange. Click on
AppExchange.
AppExchange. So this is AppExchange.com here. Here we can see all the applications. Some of the applications you can freely download. Some of the applications we need to buy from the developer. Clear, all of you? So if you have the free time, please explore this.
just
Clear, all of you?
if we develop an app for our client, like the client also needs to download it from the same route, or is it something open?
The client is also download from the same site only.
Okay. Like assume if IBM develops anything on Salesforce.com, they also host here only their application.
Actually, see, the most important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. We can develop two types of products on Salesforce.com platform. One is private products, the other one is public products. What is the first one?
Private and public.
Private and public. Public products are those products we can place in where? AppExchange.com. And whereas private products are those kind of products that we cannot place in AppExchange.com. Why? Because private product is a product which is completely confined to a particular client. Understand the point here? Suppose you are a business person, I'm a developer. Okay, I'm going to develop the application as per your company requirement. And that kind of applications I cannot place in where? AppExchange.com. Because that kind of products can be called as private product. It is completely meant for your company only. My point is clear.
Yeah. So if we are freelancing, we can put it here.
Why not? If you are a freelancer, you can develop your own application. It's a generic application. Suppose you're the freelancer. Suppose you develop some HR application, generic application. It is not confined to any particular company. Generally, in the HR department, what kind of activities is happening in the company? Based on that, suppose you develop some generic application, and that application we can place in where? AppExchange.com. That to become what? Public product. My point is clear, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So that's all about AppExchange.com. If you have the free time, please explore this. Okay. AppExchange.salesforce.com.
Hello, sir. Sir, I have one question. Can I ask, or it is premature to ask?
Yeah, why not? Go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, may I know what is Service Max and what is the relationship with Salesforce?
Sorry.
Service Max.
No, I'm not getting what you're asking. What is that?
Service Max.
Spell it out.
SERVICMAX.
SERVAC.
CEMAX. Max.
Service Max.
Yeah.
Sorry, actually, I don't know about this. Truly, I don't know. So I'll find and I'll let you know. Okay, what is this?
Sure, sir. No problem. Thanks.
So So it is all about what? Partners of Salesforce. So total, how many partners? As of now, we discussed 3 partners. Developer.force.com, dreamforce.com, and AppExchange.com. Now coming to the next important thing is versions of Salesforce. What is this? We got versions. Every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions based on what? We got based on
Season.
generally, if you take any particular software product like Java or .NET or Python or database like Oracle, SQL Server, you take any software products in the market. You take any product and software in the product in the market. 1 minute, please wait. 1 minute. Every year, Salesforce releases how many versions? 3 versions based on what? Seasons. But if you take Java or if you take .NET or any Oracle database, you take anything, software product, all the software product versions are in numeric format generally. Sir,
Yes, sir.
suppose take the example of Java. So Java maybe first version is 1.0. So it is keep on changing. Maybe the current version of Java is 11.0. Yes or no? Like that, take the example of Oracle database. First version of Oracle database is 1.0. Okay, keep on changing. That is a 7.0. Then after 8i, we have something like 9i, like 10g, 11g, policy, 13c. Okay. And now it is coming to 19c. Lots of versions are released from Oracle database. Understand? Here I stands for Internet Technology. E stands for Grid Technology. And whereas C stands for Cloud Technology. Understand? Like that, you take any product which are related to software. Every product is always in numeric format. But the significance of Salesforce is Salesforce versions based on what? Seasons format. What is that? Speak out. Seasons format.
Seasons.
Every year, Salesforce releases 3 seasons, 3 versions based on seasons. One is winter season or winter version. Next is spring version. Then summer version. Winter, spring, and summer. The current version of Salesforce is spring 22. What does this 22 represents? Year number. So this is the version what we are learning. The spring 22 version released just 1 week ago. Understand all of you? Spring 22 version released just 1 week back. Clear all of you? So how to know, how to identify, and how we can know what kind of version we are learning? Very easy. Go back. Go back. Click on any tab here. So look at this top right side corner, Spring 22 for developers. So what is the version we are using right now? We are learning Spring 22 version.
Spring 22.
Understand Shamsher Basha? Annapurna?
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the
Yes,
class?
sir.
Spring 22 version you are learning. After Spring 22, what is the next version? Summer 22,
Summer.
Winter 22, like this, it is going to keep on changing. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
According to my explanation, what I understand is every year Salesforce releases how many versions? 3 versions
3
based
versions.
on what? Based on the seasons.
Seasons.
Editions of Salesforce. Editions of Salesforce. What are the editions of Salesforce? First of all, let me discuss about what is the meaning of edition. For a easy and better understanding purpose, I'm going to give a small example about this. Actually, this is my number 95534 95532. This is my number. And I took this connection from Idea Company. I'm a postpaid customer. I took this connection near about 2000, around 8 years back, I remember. 8 years back, I took this connection from Idea company, postpaid connection. The moment I'm going to take the connection from Idea, first of all, I need to approach some Idea executive or not. Or no.
Yeah.
And that Idea executive is going to explain about some plans which are provided by Idea company to the customers. Yes or no? Different types of plans based on the customer's usage. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yeah.
Like we have 149 rupees plan per month. Okay, like 249 rupees plan per month. Like 349 rupees plan per month. Like 449 rupees plan per month. Like that, Idea company given different types of plans or design different types of plans based on the customer usage. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I subscribe 449 rupees plan per month, okay, I will get Idea to Idea. If I make a call from Idea to Idea, it is free for me. Yes or no? Suppose if I make a call from Idea to some other service like Airtel or Vodafone, it's maybe 5 paise or 10 paise per minute. Yes or no? Or and also I will get unlimited SMS free. And also every day I'm getting 1 GB data free, mobile data. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this kind of facilities I will get if I subscribe what? 449 rupees plan per month. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Maybe there is another customer, suppose who subscribe 149 rupees plan per month. He may not get this kind of facilities. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, plan to plan, facilities and rates are going to change. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, in the same way, Salesforce company also designed some editions, just like what? Plans based on the usage. So Salesforce releases total 5 types of editions based on the customer's usage. How many editions? 5 editions. The first edition name is called Essential Edition. Second one is called Enterprise Edition. Third one is called Professional Edition. Unlimited Edition. And we have something like what? Developer Edition. Like that, Salesforce releases different versions based on, different editions based on the customer's usage. Understand all of you? What are those? Essential Edition, Enterprise Edition, Professional Edition, Unlimited Edition, and a Developer Edition. Understand? Among these 5 editions, first 4 editions are paid editions. We need to pay, we need to subscribe the edition. And last edition, Developer Edition, is a free edition. And this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. Understand all of you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So I will show you here. I will show you price and editions of Salesforce. Go down. Editions and pricing of Salesforce and Sales and Service Cloud and all. Look at this. What is the first edition?
Essential,
Second one, Professional. Enterprise.
Enterprise, Unlimited.
Unlimited.
Suppose if you subscribe Unlimited Edition, we need to pay $325 US per user per month. Understand? Per user
Per month.
per month. Like that. To subscribe Enterprise Edition, we need to pay $178 per user per month. For the professional users, Professional Edition, $100 per user per month. Okay, if you go for Essential Edition, $25 per user per month. Understand all of you? But what is the difference between all these editions? The difference between all these editions is governor limits. What is this? Governor limits will vary from one addition to, what is this? Another.
Addition.
What is the meaning of governor limit? Don't ask any questions at this particular point of time. Regarding governor limits, we will discuss at the time of one of the important topic in development part, that is called batch apex. What is that?
Batch apex.
Yeah, batch apex is one of the important topic in development module. So in that, we will discuss about what? Governor limits. The governor limits will vary from one edition to what? Another edition. And the last and final edition is what? Developer edition. This edition is a free edition for all of us. And this is the edition what we are using right now in the classroom. Clear, all of you? Okay.
Yes.
So I will show you here. Developer.force.com I type. What I'm typing the URL? Developer.force.com. Okay. Press enter button. Developer.force.com. And top right side corner, we can see some sign up button over here. Click on here, sign up, and go down. Everybody, please read this. Sign up for your Salesforce. What is this?
Developer edition.
Developer edition.
Developer edition. Full-featured copy of the platform for
Free.
So developer edition is a free edition, and this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. My point is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So it is all about editions, guys. If you go for real time, you are not going to use developer. People are going to use what? Paid editions. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Fine. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Next. After editions, the next important topic is called environments of Salesforce. What is this?
Environment of Salesforce.
Environments of Salesforce. There are two types of environments in Salesforce. Types of environments in Salesforce. First environment is called sandbox environment. The second one is called here
Production.
environment. Sandbox environment and production environment. Sandbox environment, it's a purely developers environment. Here, where developers can sit and develop the application as per the, what is this? Requirement of, understand all of you. Sandbox environment is a purely developers environment, guys, where developers can sit and develop the application as per the requirement of client or business requirement. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
there are three types of sandboxes again. How many?
3.
Three types of sandbox.
So is it paid or free?
Sorry?
Sandbox is paid or free,
It's
sir?
not free. It's not free. You have to pay. Okay. Nothing will come free. Understand? Sandbox environment,
Okay.
again, three types of sandboxes. That is configuration sandbox. And we have a second one, developers sandbox. The third one is called full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox completely based on GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Here, developer no need to write any code. Without writing the code, he has to develop the application. I can say 40% of application in Salesforce, developer can develop through what? What is this? Through GUI only. Just drag and drop, point and click. You no need to write any programming. Understand, all of you? That is called configuration sandbox. This is the first module what we are going to learn. configuration. And the next one is called a developer sandbox. Developer sandbox completely based on coding or programming. Here, we people are using one of the programming language name is called Apex. Apex is a programming language which is given by Salesforce company. I can say Apex is a proprietary language of Salesforce company. It's like that. I hope all of you know about SAP.
Yeah.
Company name. SAP company.
Yes.
Sir.
SAP company is German-based company.
Yes.
SAP company, one of the programming language name is called ADV.
Above.
ADV stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. That is a proprietary language of SAP company. Just like that, Apex is the programming language, and it is a proprietary language of Salesforce company. But don't expect any full form of Apex. Apex means Apex only. There is no full form, there is no abbreviation. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
yeah, doing the class.
proprietary means owned
Yes,
by.
sir.
Yeah, it is owned by Salesforce company.
Sir, and one more question.
Yeah.
Sir, SAP and other, are there any other alternatives for competition for Salesforce, like similar Salesforce?
Who said SAP is a competitor for Salesforce?
No, sir. I was asking any alternative companies. Are there any?
There are so many companies, not only SAP, there are so many vendor companies are the competitor for Salesforce. Because almost every vendor company provides what? Cloud. Amazon provides cloud. Oracle provides cloud. Microsoft provides cloud. There are so many vendor companies, big companies provides what? Cloud. Just like Salesforce. These are all competitors of Salesforce only. But
So,
one
sir,
company, but
from
one
employment
company,
point of view.
no, let me complete one point. But one company is top in one area. Actually, a couple of days ago, I discussed one important point. Actually, in cloud computing, vendor company provides 3 types of services. Do you remember? IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Remember all of you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Which company is the top #1 company in the world which gives infrastructure as a service?
Amazon.
Amazon. Amazon is also provide cloud. That is also competitive for Salesforce. But Amazon company in the area of what? In the area of infrastructure as a service.
Infrastructure as well.
Like that Salesforce company,
SaaS
it's top #1 company in the world which gives platform.
platform. Okay.
Salesforce company giving the strongest platform for developers, on which developers can develop application very quickly. That is why we can call it as RAD. Do you remember? RAD?
Rapid
application.
Rapid application.
Yeah. So Salesforce in the area of PaaS. Amazon is the area of what? IaaS. Like that Google company is in the area of what? PaaS. Sorry, SaaS. Software as a service.
Software is.
Like that every company is good in one area. Understand? These are all competitors of Salesforce only. The point is clear.
Yes, sir. Sir, so from employment point of view, if I learn Salesforce right now, switching to other Salesforce type companies, how would that work, sir? Would it be? Do I have to
I'm
learn
not
some
saying
other
that Salesforce having good market, other technologies does not have a good market. See, guys, I'm not saying that. Okay, every technology has its own market. Every technology has its own openings. But comparatively, Salesforce, suppose, take a small example, you're a learner. Okay, apart from Salesforce, you want to learn something else. Suppose you want to learn Amazon, AWS. If you want to learn AWS, you should require some prerequisites, like Linux administration, Linux. Without having this knowledge, you can't understand what AWS. But coming to Salesforce, you do not require any prerequisites to understand what Salesforce. Even a layman also can easily understand what Salesforce. And application development point of view, I can say, client point of view I'm talking here, Salesforce is best than other companies. That is the reason clients are more interested to go for what Salesforce side of. See, guys, your job is always depending on number of clients in the market. The point is clear. Number of clients. If number of clients are using that particular technology, automatically you'll get more speak out. projects. If you have more projects, then automatically
More
you'll
employment.
get more employment, more jobs. So your jobs are directly proportional to what?
Clients.
Number of clients. So based on that, you have to choose in what? We have to choose the technology which is good in the market.
Yes.
I can say down the line, next 10 years, listen carefully, next 10 years, at least minimum seven years I'm talking, there are 4 technologies that are going to dominating the market. As far as my knowledge and my experience is concerned, I'm talking. Clear all of you? Minimum 4 technologies. That is, first one, data science. Second one, cloud technologies. I'm not talking about Salesforce. I'm talking about cloud technologies. We have plenty of cloud technologies in the market. We have something like AWS. We have something like Microsoft Azure. We have something like Salesforce. There are so many cloud technologies out there. And the next one is what? AI. Last and final one is blockchain. Because blockchain is not completely came into the market, definitely it's going to dominate the market in future. Clear all of you? So these are the 4 technologies definitely becomes popular and becomes leaders in the market. Next down the line 7 years I'm talking. But if you want to go for data science side, okay, it's very difficult to understand. Why? Because you should require mathematics knowledge and also statistics knowledge. It's completely based on algorithms. Somewhat difficult to understand. But coming to cloud technology, we have something like AWS, Microsoft Azure, we have something like what? Salesforce. But among these 3, why I'm choosing Salesforce, why not other things? I already told you. If you want to learn Salesforce, you do not require any prerequisites. As far as Salesforce market point of view, market percentage is more, job percentage compared to any other technologies. If you go any kind of European countries, US market and all, Australia, Canada and all, market is really good in Salesforce. If you have any friends, please ask them. They'll give the feedback about Salesforce. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is also good. These are the 4 technologies that are dominating the market. Here, as far as job pointer is concerned. Okay. Next, developer sandbox, and the next one is here, full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox? Actually, full copy sandbox contains the replica. What is this? Replica. Replica means what?
Copy.
Duplicate copy. The original, what is this? Duplicate copy of the original application. They will place in their full copy sandbox. Maybe somebody got a doubt in the case. Sir, why they place duplicate copy in full copy sandbox? The reason is they want it is used for what purpose here?
Testing.
Testing purpose. Development is completed. After development completed, we need to test the application or not. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Testing. What is testing? Testing is a process. It's going to check whether the application really meeting the customer requirement or not. Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
That process can be called as testing. After development, what we have to do? We have to go for testing. For testing purpose, we have to place one duplicate copy in full copy sandbox. Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Like
Yes,
that, sandboxes are divided into 3 types. Configuration sandbox. Second one is developers sandbox. Third one is what here? Full copy sandbox. After testing, then we have to go for something like what?
Deployment.
Deployment. What is the exact meaning of deployment? Deployment means move the application or moving the application from sandbox environment to
Production.
sandbox environment to something like what? Production. Point clear? Moving the application from sandbox environment to production environment, that process can be called as what? Deployment. Am I clear this point? Everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good. So after deployment, we have to go for what? The second type of sandbox, the second type of environment, production environment. What is production environment? What is production environment? Production environment means it is I can say client's place. It's a client's place. Sandbox environment is developer's place. But production environment is a client's environment, where client and the client's employees are sitting and using the what?
Application.
Sitting and using the applications. Clear all of you. But a simple question I'm asking here. Client and client employees, they're not technical people. Yes or no? They don't know how to use the application. They don't know how to use the application. That is why to guide them, to monitor them, okay, there is another person who is always sitting at the production environment or a production place. That person, we can call him as super user, or the other way around, we can call it as system administrator. So system administrator is a person who is always sitting at where? Client's environment or production environment. The next point, what I'm going to discuss is, in the company, if you joined as a system administrator, what is your roles and what is this?
Responsibilities.
Responsibilities of what?
System admin.
System administrator. Roles and responsibilities of system administrator. First one, he is a person creating the users, creating the roles, and also creating the profile. And he is a person granting the, what is this?
Permission, privileges.
Privileges to the users. Yes, sir. He is a person. What is this? Revoke privileges from the
users.
Understand all of you. And he is a person. Okay. Performing data management operations. Data management means data importing and also data. Importing means import the data from external systems to what? Salesforce. Export means exporting the data from Salesforce to what is this? For this importing export operations, Salesforce given two types of what?
Tools.
That is, the first type of tool is called data import wizard.
Data loader.
Second one is called what? Data loader. Using these two tools, we can perform what? Import and export operations. Next point is data automations and also something like what? Approvals. For data automation approvals, Salesforce was given some tools like
workflows,
Process builder, flow builder.
Have something like flow builder or flows, both are same.
Approval process.
And the next one is what? Data analysis. For this, it is called BI, business intelligence. That is reports
and dashboards.
And we have something like last and final one, data, what is this?
Security.
Very important aspect in administrative job. In data security, we have org level security. And we have something like
Object level.
app level security, application level security. Under application level security, we have something like tab level security. Under tab, we have object level security. Under object level security, we have something like field level security. And also record level security. Under record level security, again, we have something like OWD, stands for organization wide, what is this?
Defaults.
Role hierarchies.
Sharing rules.
Sharing rules.
Manual sharing.
Manual sharing. These are all comes under record level security. Apart from that, we have permission sets. Something like queues. Public groups. Okay, these are all comes under data security aspect. Clear, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir. So
Yes,
I
sir.
presume will we see all this in detail, right? Going forward.
Yeah, it is all covered in where in the admin part.
Okay.
All these topics are going to cover in their administration part. Hey guys, in your syllabus, I'm going to cover 6 modules. How many?
6.
6 modules.
So these are the 6 modules: configuration, development, admin, CRM, integration, and what?
Lightning.
So whatever topics are written on the screen, it's all comes under what? Admin.
Admin.
Okay, sir.
Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you understand up to this. Environments of
Yes.
Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, okay, versions of Salesforce, partners of Salesforce, all these topics, I hope all of you understand. Clear?
Sir.
So, you need any 5-10 minutes break? Guys, because somebody asked me yesterday, sir, give me some break so that we will continue with 2 hours. Because I'm going to extend the session up to 6 o'clock today. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
want any
We'll
break?
take 5 minutes break.
Yes, sir.
Take 10 minutes break and come back. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So we will continue. We will continue with what? MVC architecture. And also, we will discuss about how to create an account in Salesforce. Very important.
Okay.
These are the 2 points we are going to discuss next 40 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Don't go away. Please come back. Stay back, all of you, after 10 minutes. Thank you.
Sir, this course not covers marketing cloud.
No, that is functional. Marketing, sales cloud, service cloud is all functional. It's all technical. You want to go for marketing cloud or what?
Yes, sir.
Why?
My friend suggested me.
Go for technical side so that you'll get more future. That's functional. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, I'll be back in 10 minutes, guys. Okay.
Okay.
No. हाँ भाई
Dude Kumar, mute your phone.
Sorry, I am sorry.
क्लास स्टार्ट नहीं हो गया? नो मैन.
Hello? Is this a break or are we done?
It's a break.
Hello, just 2 minutes. I'll continue the class. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello, guys. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Next topic is MVC. Let me continue. MVC. What is MVC stands for? Anyone knows?
Model View Controller.
Model View Controller. Or no? MVC stands for what? Model View Controller. Actually, it is a three-tier architecture, guys. First one is view, controller, model. The view can be called as a presentation layer. Controller can be called as business logic layer. Model can be called as what? Database layer. Total how many? 3 layers. Understand? Actually, it is a common phenomena. Almost every technology, Java, .NET, Python, you take any technology, supports or follows MVC architecture. Understand all of you? Okay. But with respect to MVC, with respect to Salesforce, what MVC contains? With respect to Salesforce, what MVC is? First, let me start with model. Model contains 2 sections. Model contains 2 sections. First section name is called schema section. Second section name is called what? Instance section. Schema and instance. Schema contains, observe carefully, apps, objects, fields, relationships, validations, page layouts, and record types. This is schema part. Coming to instance part, we have data and what record. Clear? That is model. Now coming to controller part. Controller is completely development. Here people are using the programming language name is called AppExchange. It's a business logic layer. AppExchange, we are going to discuss about OOPS topics. We have something like exception handling, expressions, annotations, database concepts, we have something like collections, that is list, set, and map. Then after, we will discuss about controllers. We have 6 types of controllers like standard controller, standard list controller, custom list controller, standard set controller, and extension controller. After that, we will discuss about view. In the view part, we are going to use Visual Force, the markup language, just like HTML. It is used for designing UI purpose, designing UI, user interface, front-end screens and all. Clear, all of you? Hello. Okay. Am I audible, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the topics we will cover in their view part, and these are the topics we will cover in not only controllers. Next one, schedule Apex. Next, interfaces. Sorry, interfaces. Schedule Apex. Batch Apex. Schedule Apex. Batch Apex. And what is the next one here? Trigger. These are all comes under what? Controllers topic. Okay. Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So these are the topics we'll cover here. Now tell me, listen carefully. Controller part, view part, we will cover in development. Controller part and view part, we will cover in where? Array. Controller part and view part, we will cover in where? In development. And model part, we will cover in
Admin.
configuration. Understand? After that, we will enter into admin part. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next topic, what I'm going to discuss is how to create an account in Salesforce. Look at the screen and try to understand. If you want to create the account in Salesforce, look at the URL, all of you. Login.salesforce.com. Not login, sorry. Developer.force.com. Everybody please observe carefully. Developer.force.com. Press enter button. Top right side, we have a button called sign up button is there. You have to click on sign up button. If you click on sign up button, okay, you will get this particular page. Very easy, guys. The way how you create the account in Gmail, same way we can create the account in where? Salesforce. Very easy. Understand? Observe carefully and try to understand. Here we have to enter the first name, last name, email ID, your role in the company, your company name, country name, postal code, username, all these things we need to enter. Okay, so let me enter the first name. What is the first name I am giving? DURGASOFT. Not DURGASOFT. Durga is the first name. Soft is the second name. Email ID. This is my email ID, vijayprakash2019. You have to give the valid email ID, guys. You have to give the valid email ID, vijayprakash2019. Your role, developer role I given. Company, this company may exist, may not exist, no problem. Understand, all of you. So I given the company name as DS. Country. What is the country name I given? India. Postal code 123456. Username. Username always in this format. Username @yourcompanyname.com. Okay. Username @yourcompanyname.com. Clear? Username. Let me give batch 10. or batch11@ds.com. What is this? What is the username I given here? Batch11@ds.com. Click on sign me up. Very easy, guys. Very easy. All of you understand how to create an account in Salesforce?
Yes, sir.
What we need to type in the URL, developer.force.com. Okay. And see, please check your email to confirm your account. So let me check my email. Click on Gmail. It takes a couple of minutes time, guys. Please wait.
Sir?
Yeah, please wait.
Sir, while we are waiting, can I ask a quick question?
Yeah. Ask.
Sir, as a developer, if I get into a company, in the last point on that word page you were saying, so we have to deal with integration, development, and one more section, sir. We don't have to worry about the admin part.
Integration, development, admin, CRM, and configuration.
So, sir, one developer handles all, or there must be a team, sir?
Sorry, come again.
Sir, one person cannot handle all of these things, so there must be a team.
No. There must be a team. How it is possible? You are the part of the project. That's it.
So,
how it is possible?
While I'm learning, I have to learn like all the 4 sections.
Sorry, come again.
Sir, while I'm learning, I have to learn all the 4 sections.
Array, you're the part of developer. Without knowing the development, without knowing about subject, how can you develop the project? So, after learning the course, either you can go for what? Either you can go for development side, or either you can go for what? Admin side. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, development is what? Development comes under configuration, comes under development. CRM comes under development. Understand? Hello?
Yes,
integration
sir.
is also comes under development. Apart from CRM, apart from admin, rest of all comes under development only. Hello?
Sir, at the moment, I am currently in a company in the role of a software developer trainee for Salesforce.
Software developer trainee.
Yes, sir. Right now, trainee. I'm like in 2 months right now as a trainee only. So they are basically assigning me trailhead units to go through, and then
because you're in the starting stage, no? That is why they're giving this. Trailhead is a place where we can practice your.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. That is what I want to ask you.
Yeah.
Right now, what they're doing, they are actually assigning me trailhead units, and then based on that, they're giving me some tasks to perform.
Yes.
Writing
in the trailhead
triggers
only, you have some practice exercises are there. They give you some tasks.
Yes, sir. Apart from that, they're giving me like writing triggers and writing handler classes and all. So, sir, I'm not able to, write code for that. And
because you don't know about the subject, how can you write the triggers?
Sir, it's almost been like 2 months now. So for 1 month, I was learning like only admin part. Now they have assigned us to write Apex code and all.
Which company you are working?
I'm struggling in that section. So, sir, how should I go about it? That is what I want to ask you.
Yeah, that's why. See, Parallelly, you're learning the subject. Okay. Once you understand the subject, what are tasks they assign in the company, okay, you are in the position to develop. Because you don't know about the subject, that is why you feel difficulty. Na? Hello.
Sir, previously I've learned a little bit, at
What
least
is this now?
intermediate knowledge of JavaScript and React and all those things.
Okay, that is different topic. That is different technology.
So does that help in like lightning weight component, Aura components?
See, with the help of that knowledge, okay, that is added advantage for you while writing the code because you have some programming skills before that we can apply while writing the program in Apex. Understand? Hey, what is this nonsense here? Why it is 1 minute, please? I'm not getting the mail. 1 minute, please. Okay. Hi. Once again, please let me create once again.
I also tried creating, sir. It is not coming for me.
Yeah, sometimes what happens is server is very slow. Very disgusting, guys. Too much slow sometimes. It's not my problem. It's not our problem. It is Salesforce server problem, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. One minute, I'll clarify your doubt. Let me first create this developer.force.com. Salesforce training. We say 2019 developer company name, busy company. One, two, three, four, five, six. Finding IG.com. Practice. That is also there. SF training @ADV.com. Hey, what is this? Yeah. Got it. There is an issue with Salesforce Development Edition. That's the problem, guys. What is the message you got? Hello.
For me also the same message.
There is a
Yeah, now I got. No issues. It's a server problem. It's not our problem. Okay? Please remember this point. Oh, got it. Batch11@ds.com. Verify. So here we have to set your password. ABCD1234. ABCD1234. Okay. Hyderabad. Okay. Now we successfully created the account. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
look
sir.
at this. Look at the URL lightning.force.com. At this particular point of time, I need to tell one important point here. Listen carefully. Try to understand. We can develop the application. We can develop the application in Salesforce in 2 modes. We can develop the application Salesforce on how many modes? 2 modes. The first one is classic mode. And the next one is what here? We got lightning mode. Classic mode and lightning mode. In 2 modes, we can develop the application. Understand? So I will discuss later what is the difference between classic and lightning. Okay. This is the lightning environment. Look at the URL. If you want to move from lightning to classic, top right side corner, we have a small boy with monkey cap. Yes or no? Click on him.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Switch to Salesforce Classic. Now we enter into classic mode. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So before we will discuss about further points here, let me discuss about some important topic. Not now, tomorrow. So tomorrow Sunday is guys, Sunday class guys. Can you attend tomorrow? 1 hour?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the amicable time tomorrow?
3 to 4.
Morning 10 to 12, okay? Morning 10 to 12.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
morning is good, sir.
Morning,
Yes,
I have an
sir.
Tomorrow
exam.
is Sunday, na?
Morning, I have an exam, sir.
Sunday. At what time?
Like 10 to 11. I have a GRE exam.
Oh, I see. Okay. So tell me your time. Tell me which time you are
Anyone
coming.
is fine. Afternoon, 2 to 4.
Afternoon, it's odd time, man. Odd time. Very odd time.
Well, it's morning 9 to 11, 9 to 10 kind of.
But this guy having exams.
Yeah, 9 to 10 is fine, sir. From 10 o'clock, the
9 to
exam
10.
starts.
Yes, sir. Starting of the day, it will be quite fresh mind.
Okay, come down at 9 o'clock then.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow, no, don't go away. Don't go away. Please wait. Tomorrow we will discuss about basic vocabulary. What we are using in Salesforce. Basic vocabulary. That is app. What is the next one? App. One is what? Object. Field. Data. And the next one is what here? Record. So these are the important 6 important words we will discuss in tomorrow class. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
9 o'clock or 10 o'clock? 9 o'clock not possible.
9 o'clock.
Okay, evening time. Evening 4 o'clock, same time. Evening
Yeah,
4?
same time is fine. I think 4 to 5.
4 to 6. 4 to 6 again 2 hours.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Better to come at 4, so 4 to 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow, same time, same link, evening 4 to 6.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All of you understand today's class, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, one request I have.
Yeah. Now tell me.
If time permits, can you please check what is service max, and can you please let me know tomorrow if possible?
Actually, today night I'm quite busy. What is that service?
Service max.
Service max.
Yeah, it's a cloud-based computing based on the Salesforce. So I tried to actually find out all the detail, but in the internet it is very few topics are there. That's why I thought to ask you.
I don't know, but anyway, I'll find out. But don't expect answer tomorrow, okay?
Sure, sir. No problem, sir. Anytime if you are free, then
Yeah,
you can.
definitely.
Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot, sir.
Tomorrow evening 4 o'clock, okay? Don't miss it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.